Okay? GOV is the total volume of cargo already deducted for free water. Is the total volume of cargo already deducted for free water found in the cargo inside the tank. Okay guys? Free water is the settled water content found at the bottom of cargo after loading. Okay guys? So we go to the formula for GOV is GOV equals TOV minus free water. Example, TOV equals 1,500 cubic meters. Free water, 100 cubic meters. Okay guys, again, the free water is found during tank inspection after loading. Okay guys, this is the free water. So the answer will be GOV equals 1,500 minus 100 cubic meter. So we have GOV of 1,400 cubic meters. Okay guys? So let's go now to GSV, gross standard volume. Okay? GSV is the gross observed volume of cargo multiplied by volume correction factor. Okay. VCF can be found by entering observed temperature and API gravity in the following tables. Table 54 alpha for cubic meters at 15 degrees Celsius. Unrefined petroleum. Table 6 alpha, 4 barrels at 60 degrees Fahrenheit, unrefined petroleum. Table 54 bravo, 4 cubic meters at 15 degrees centigrade, refined petroleum. Table 6 bravo, 4 barrels at 60 degrees Fahrenheit, refined petroleum. Okay guys? Take note the difference guys. So if we are calculating liquid cargo in cubic meter, we are going to use table 54 alpha for unrefined petroleum. What are unrefined petroleum? For example guys, crude products are unrefined petroleum. Okay? Crude oil. So if we are using OLED table for cubic meters, we will use table 54 alpha. If we are using OLED table with barrels, okay guys, we will use 6 alpha. In crude petroleum products, okay? In crude, meaning unrefined petroleum. Okay guys? But if we are calculating for refined products, we will use 54 bravo for cubic meters and 6 bravo for barrels. Okay guys? For refined products, for example, gasoline, that is refined products. Okay guys? So now we go for the formula for GSV. Okay. GSV equals GOV times BCF. Okay. Example number 1. GOV equals 1,400 cubic meters. Observed temperature 35 degrees centigrade. Okay guys. API gravity equals 15. So we will have a BCF of 0.9868. Why? Because we will enter this temperature, observed temperature of 35 degrees centigrade and API gravity into the ASTM table 54 alpha, we will get, for example, 35 degrees centigrade. We will get the API 15, so we will get the value of 0.9868. 0.9868. Again guys, this is an example. Okay? On board ships, this is almost similar. Okay guys? So, we have BCF of 0.9868. So now, GSB equals 1,400, okay, cubic meter times 0.9868. So we have GSB equals 1381.52 cubic meter at 15 degrees centigrade. Sometimes, they also call it as net, okay, net cubic meters. Okay guys, 1381.52 cubic meter at 15 degrees centigrade. Now, I also prepare another example if we will use the quantity in barrels. Okay, so example number 2. We have the GUV equals 8,805.734 barrels. Okay guys, take note that it is now in barrels. The observed temperature is equals to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay guys, I used barrels, so I used also the temperature in Fahrenheit. Okay, if we use barrels, you will use temperature in Fahrenheit. So, now, we have also API 15 and the BCF will be 0.9871. Why? Because we will enter into the table 6 alpha, the temperature 95, this is 95, and API 15. So we will get the value of 0.9871. Take note guys that if you use barrels, you will use also temperature of Fahrenheit and you will use also table 6 alpha for unrefined cargo. If you are calculating for refined cargo, you will use 6 Bravo.